Letter number 5, Jeem, which is close to the English word gym.
Game? What's a game?
It looks a lot like the number 7, only with a tail or a dangling arm. It's actually the first in 3 letters that look like the number 7, only with the tail or a dangling arm. So we're gonna have later on ha and kha. The difference between the 3 are the dots. So Jeem has the dot here, kha has a dot above, and ha no dots. But let's focus today on our letter, Jeem. This is our letter for the day. Now in Fusha, modern standard Arabic, it's pronounced like the letter J, ja, or the letter G in George. So ja, okay? Now in certain accents, in colloquial or slang Arabic, in certain accents, especially Egyptian, Yemeni, and Omani, it's pronounced ga, like a G in the word girl. Now, there is no letter that is pronounced ga in Fusha. So Jeem is sometimes used as a replacement when needed. Like for example, when you want to write kilogram in Arabic, it's written kilogram. See, kilogram. This is the Jeem here. There's another letter which we will learn later, but it's sometimes used also as a replacement for the ga, which is the letter rein, kilogram. We're gonna learn it later. Let's focus on Jeem. Note how Jeem connects to other letters here. See? Of course, we will talk about this in a detailed video about how letters connect to each other. But see how the tail or the arm moves up? It was here and then it moved up and connected to the letter after it. Here's how it connects when it comes at the beginning of the word, okay? Like for example, if we write Jamal, see? Yeah. See ja, how the arm here, this dangling arm or tail will connect to the M, to the meme here. Jamal, okay? This is if Jeem comes at the beginning of the word. Here, when it comes to in the middle, let's write a different word. When Jeem comes in the middle, Najm, which means star. See, it connected to the noon here and to the meme. We're gonna talk in detail about this. There's gonna be a detailed video about how letters connect to each other. And here's at the end, Khalij, which means bay or gulf. See how the Jeem is connected here? Since there's no letter after it, since it's the last letter of the word, the arms or the tail is still dangling down. Will still be, it's not gonna, because there's no other letter to connect with. Okay? Just to give you an idea about how letters connect to each other. This is gonna be detailed video, okay? Now you probably noticed by now that Arabic is written from right to left. For some of you, this might be old news, but it was worth mentioning here. So again, we're gonna talk about this in a later video. For now, let's focus on the shape of the letter Jeem. Okay, it looks like the number 7 or a flipped number 5, but it's a lot more, close. It's closer to the number 7. I don't know what you think. Tell me what you think in the comments. If you say number 5, it figures since it's the 5th letter of the alphabet, so, but I believe it's closer to the number 7, okay? It sounds ja, like a letter J. In some accents, it's pronounced ga. So practice it well, along with the previous letters that you learned, and I'll see you in the next video.